my
People,
God.
this is hail. See all those white balls? Those are hail. I just know they're gonna cancel school tomorrow. Holy shit. I wanna say shit, but oh god. Damn, you can actually see the hail on the floor, guys. This ain't funny. We are in deep South Texas, McAllen. Oh shit. People on the web, I'm going to download this into YouTube for sure. People, we are in South Texas, McAllen. If you don't know where that is, look it up on the internet. We actually have hail down here. And my dad is still outside. Mom, is the car okay?
I can't tell. They'll go videotape the street. You should see it on the street. You can see it real good on the street.
Okay, people, we're gonna go to the street. Give me a minute. People, we're at the front street of my house. So I know my dad is just pulling in right now.
Look at the pieces. Oh my God.
Look at that. This is in South Texas, McAllen. My dad's just pulling in right now. There's my dog Spike. He's Minister Doberman.
Can you see the pieces? Look at the street.
Look at that.
See all the pieces of ice.
This is not funny, people. I'm surprised my dad even made it home alive. I'm gonna open the door.
Spike.
Dad, over here! Over here!
Spike! Spike!
There's my dad.
I still think I have my blanket in my trunk, but I throw it in my car.
Ooh, you can do whatever you want. Put one over my car too.
Guys, this is very, very scary. Again, McAllen Texas, zip code 78501. This is not funny, people. This is very, very scary. Oh my God. God, protect Mama's car. I'm 15 years old. Joshua.
It's only a bit of water, so come on.
Oh God, this is very, very scary. Spike, back inside. Oh sure, hail made it inside. Guys, this is not funny. Mom, be careful.
I think yours is gonna blow away.
Okay, we're gonna be recording right now
Can I
again.
help you with that?
Okay, I'm gonna have to help my dad with his back car. Here, Mom, record. What's this lock?
You should know you don't need the umbrella.
Oh God, okay, just fill this car up.
Not like that. That's good.
Yeah, cover the back a little more.
I'm fine with that side of it. Pull that side of it, make it flat. There we go.
Is that? Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
You can see hail on top of my car already.
Yeah, oh shit, like me.
With yours, I can bring your car up a little bit more. So,
No, it's okay. It's okay, déjalo.
Oh my God, people, this is crazy.
Get funny.
Yeah, so nothing. You should have seen all the hail in the back. I mean, like a
This is the size of the hail that we just had a little while ago.
We actually had bigger one, but they melted.
Yeah, I had to delete some stuff in order to take this video, so sorry about that, but just imagine them a little bigger, okay? So, yeah, we had one heck of a hailstorm. So that's about it. I'll try to upload another video, and the next time we have a big storm, I doubt we're gonna have one in a while, so yeah, see you next time. Bye.